Welcome again. So, if you are a person who is fed up with Windows and Mac OS and you are trying to dive into the Linux world and you are confused which operating system should I use because there are a lot of versions that available at the moment. So, Zorin OS should be a good desktop for you because it's designed the way that Windows user or a Mac user can easily use. So I'm going to show you how you can install this operating system in your computer. As you can see on their official page, they are saying that Zorin OS is the alternative to Windows and Mac OS, designed to make your computer faster, more powerful, secure, and privacy respecting. So you can see all the screenshot, like it's so pleasing to eyes and designs so smoothly. If you scroll down, you can see that they're saying that Zorin is designed to be easy, so you don't need to learn anything to get started. Zorin OS appearance lets you change the desktop layout to feel like the environment you are familiar with, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. So you can see like all the uh, desktop layout over here. Like this is for the Mac, this is for the Windows 10, this is for the Windows 11, and this is for the Ubuntu. So you can see that even they're saying that Zorin OS will support a computer which is 15 years old. So if you have a old stuff with you, then you can install it and give it a life. So they're saying that we believe privacy is a fundamental human rights. That's why Zorin OS doesn't collect personal data. So advertiser and government can't spy on your activity. Zorin OS is open source and anyone can audit its source code to verify its privacy. As you know, like in Windows or macOS, they are like saying that they are collecting our data. Even they are uh, mentioning that in your system, as you can see over here. So you can download it from here. If you go to the download, it has two versions. One is Zorin OS 17.1 Pro version. This comes with some premium features. If you want to pay, then you can use this one, and this one is for the code that we are going to use. It also has all the features that this one has, but some basic which are not premium, which are excluded. And if you want to use it for educational purpose, so then you can use this one. It's already come with the educational software for school and students. So you can compare these Arduino editions over here, like which things are comes with this and all the things. So you can download it from here. I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to run this. I'm going to install it on my VirtualBox so I can show you. Okay, so it's asking try to install this Zorin OS. So press enter over here. So as you can see, it's checking the file system. So Zorin OS is based on the Ubuntu. If you are familiar with it, so it's totally looks like based on Ubuntu. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so as you can see, the installation screen is now appear. So we are going to click on the install Zorin OS. If you want to try, you can use this version. Make sure to select your language over here. Okay, so from here we have to select this keyboard layout. I'm going to select the by default one and continue. Okay, you can select the updates and other softwares. So if you select this, it will download and install these OS updates. This saves times after installation. Okay, you can also select the Wi-Fi and third-party graphics driver from here. So continue. It's preparing the Ubuntu drivers. So as I mentioned earlier, this Zorin is totally based on Ubuntu. So if you are familiar with this, then you will not be facing any issue. But this particular operating system is designed that way that you will not face any kind of issue because it's designed for the Windows users and Mac users who is trying to like try new operating systems. So yeah, okay. Now it's asking us to select the installation type. So I'm going to select erase disk and install this Zorin OS. It will delete each and everything from this particular disk. So let's install. Okay, it's saying that write the changes to disk. So what it's going to do, it's going to delete all the partition that the virtual drive have and going to create the new partition. So click on the continue. Okay, now you have to select your location. So I'm going to select India and next. Okay, here we have to type our name. So this is going to be your computer name and this is going to be your username. You have to put the password over here that you are going to use to log in your computer, and this is for automatically login. If you select this one, then it will not ask you your password after you restart your computer. So I will not recommend this. So this is for that. If you have a active directory, like if you have an active directory, you can also configure it from here. You can like configure your domain. You can join this computer in your domain network. Okay, as you can see, it's creating the file system now. You can see the process from here. If you click on this arrow, you can see the real-time process. It's now running. Okay, so the installation is now completed. So let's log in. Okay, so we are inside of the login now. You can see all the details like the time from here, like the time, the notification. You can select do not disturb from here. You can add events, add clocks, and see the weather also. You can control all the basic details like your Ethernet, your volume. You can take screenshot from here. Sorry, you can go to the camera settings. You can log out. You can power off. You can enable night option and dark mode also. So if we go to the menu option, so we can see it's designed the same way like Windows. You can Windows 7 if you remember. So you can see all the details like this is your user, your home, desktop, documents, all the setting. We also have the Zorin appearance function. So you can change the desktop layout. Like if you want to have like Windows 10, so you can get it like this. If you want to have like Windows 11, so you can use this one. This is for the Mac OS. If you wanted to pay and if you wanted to get the paid version, then you can also have these options like that's are available. So as you can see, when I'm clicking on the dark mode, it's also changing the wallpaper. So isn't that great? See, when I'm clicking on the pay like the normal mode, it's also changing the wallpaper. So I think it's cool. You can also see the settings from here, all the utilities apps that we have. Let's go to the setting. Zorin also contain the Zorin software app, like you can call it Linux like App Store that every Linux has. So you can use that to the this one software center. So you can use that to download multiple apps that are used in multiple apps, like multiple useful apps you can install from there. So you can see all the details. So this particular operating system is designed for those users who is coming from Windows or Mac, so they will not face any issue and use it for daily purpose. It's also light, faster and smoother. So I will recommend you please try on. So if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.